So before I show you the math and take you through some story problems, if you would, let's just talk about the rules of 3 and 10. So right now, let's say you have an access point, and that access point is configured to transmit at 100 milliwatts, as you see over here. So it's going to transmit its power at 100 milliwatts. And the antenna is rated for 3 dBis of passive gain. So what does that mean? That means that I'm looking at this directional antenna, right? The antenna is going to passively add 3 dBs. Now, that just means that if I'm going to add 3 dBs plus 3 dBs, and what do we say? If we do that with 3 dBs, then we're going to double the amount of the milliwatts. So because the antenna added to the power, we would multiply that by 2, and then we'd be talking about 200 milliwatts for the power. Now, with this rule, as we said before, if we increase by 3, we double. If we decrease by 3, we have it. So then let's say my access point now, let's make a new one. And this one here says that the transmitter, that's the AC power, is sending 100 milliwatts to the antenna. I should have just drawn that as an antenna, but nonetheless. And the cable is subtracting, because of whatever reason the cable, you do lose power as you transmit electricity, is going to introduce 3 dBs of loss. So even though we said, okay, we're going to send out 100 milliwatts, but the cable is reducing the dBs, so what's actually going to be sent out is 1/2, or 50 milliwatts of power.